Hello guys, here we're going to solve some questions with trig identities. So this first question requires the use of the fact that sine theta over cos theta is identical to tan theta. So let's use that to solve this question. It says prove that tan theta times cos theta is equal to sine theta. Well, tan theta, it can be rewritten as sine theta over cos theta. And we multiply that by cos theta. The cos theta and the cos theta will cancel, which leaves us with sine theta. And there we go. We've proved it. Let's go to the next question. Here, we're using the identity that sine squared x plus cos squared x is identical to 1. And we want to show that 2 minus 2 cos squared theta is equivalent to 2 sine squared theta. Well, we can actually rewrite this identity by taking away sine squared x from both sides, and we can say that cos squared x is identical to 1 minus sine squared x. So instead of writing 2 minus 2 cos x, I'm actually going to write it as 2 minus 2, and instead of writing cos, I'm going to write, instead of writing cos squared rather, I'm going to write 1 minus sine squared of x. And that will simplify to 2 minus 2 plus, because it's minus 2 times minus sine squared x, plus 2 sine squared x. And the 2 minus 2 is 0, so you're just left with 2 sine squared x. There we go. Let's go for another. Same kind of thing. We want to prove that sine squared x minus cos squared x is equivalent to 1 minus 2 cos squared x. So we have that sine squared x plus cos squared x is identical to 1. Well, on the left-hand side, we've got sine squared x and we've got cos squared x. On the right-hand side, we only have cos squared x's. So it would make sense for me to rewrite this so that I say sine squared of x is identical to 1 minus cos squared x. Then when I make the substitution on the left-hand side, I'm going to have an expression that has no sines and has coses. So instead of writing sine squared x, I'm just going to use the red for substitution. I'm going to write 1 minus cos squared x. And then I'm going to put minus cos squared x. So when I simplify that out, I get 1 minus cos squared x minus another cos squared x is minus 2 cos squared x. And there we go. We've proved it. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more.